That's a good point. I spoke to a labor economist last week who talked about how frozen the labor market is now. A lot of companies are sitting on cash and not hiring, and it's been a big wait and see game. When do you think the wait and see game will end? It sounds like you guys are also waiting and seeing. How much longer are we just sitting tight?
Well, look, we hope that it's not too long because you have two key factors that investors were focused on over the coming weeks. The first one was the resolution of this very trade escalation, this trade war that we are witnessing right here, right now. But the other point was to do with the budget and seeing whether this administration, Trump administration, will have an ability to cut taxes, push through the budget, and have an agreement in Congress around that. So when it comes to the trade war, we do think that over the coming weeks, probably by the end of April, maybe early May, we should have a good idea about what the end state is, something that market can coalesce around, have a bit more clarity over. And then we do believe it's not going to be too much of a wait to have answers to do with the US budget as well. And I think once you have those in place, once you know what's the level of tariffs, what's the level of taxes, what kind of incentives for capex and US investments investors and corporations will have, I think it will be easier to make decisions. Right now, everyone is trying to deal with this fog of uncertainty. And as you rightly mentioned, that means deferring investment decisions. That means deferring choices that you might have hoped to make earlier this year. Instead, you might have to wait a little bit longer. But we do not believe that wait will be till, let's say, later this year. We're probably going to have a lot of clarity by the time the summer comes.